So here we've got the Ideal Plain, which is Britain's most iconic school radiator. These are very, very popular in public buildings from around the early 1900s. They've got a very bulky profile, but they're quite an elegant radiator. So we want to look at some of the details. So the legs here have a really nice curve, and that was actually quite common with the manufacturer in general. They quite like to do curved legs like this. So that's really nice. And up here, you have what's called the bead that runs across the face of the column. And this was also very, very popular in school radiators. Where we have the top bush end here, we've got this nice spiral pattern, and that was the National Radiator Company's most popular bush end that they would use, accompanied by where you would put the bleed valves. Bleed valves in more modern cast iron radiators would be positioned actually within the bush end sometimes, but this one we have a detached one over here. School radiators were initially really made to be very easy to clean, easy to maintain for public buildings. We find these in all types of properties now, and even when we do find them and reclaim them from, say, a stately home, a lot of people like to put them with more modern interiors. So they're a very versatile radiator, considering they were simply made for schools and public buildings originally. All of our radiators can be finished in bare metal finishes, one of our signature inch finishes, and custom paint finishes. We have thousands of radiators to choose from here. Please visit our website for more details.